this short video, I'm going to talk about one of my absolute favorite garden hose nozzles. This is by Rainpoint, and this thing's awesome. So we're going to cover the make of this, how it feels, the pros and the cons. So the first thing is that this is zinc alloy, so this is not going to corrode. It's going to stay strong and secure over the long haul. It's got a nice little grip on the handle, and it has this built-in locking mechanism where you can just flip this up, and now that's locked in place. So if you want to have a continuous spray without squeezing, you have that option. This has 9 different spray features. I'm going to show you all of those once we hook this up to the hose. Let's do that now. But before we do that, real quick, here's what you get in the box. So you get the sprayer itself, you get a rubber gasket, you also get a backup gasket. So if this one ever corrodes over time, you have a backup. And this also comes with a very awesome quick connector unit. So this will screw into your garden hose rather than this. And then to unhook this, you simply pull this and that pops right out. And then you can stick it back on. So I'll show you how this works in action with water flowing through the hose. I've screwed in the quick attach and quick release component, and the water right now is currently turned on. And as you can see, nothing's coming out. There's no leakage whatsoever. So you can attach this while the water is on, which is a really cool and awesome feature that you don't find in a lot of garden hose nozzles. So now we're going to connect this and see if I can not spray myself too much in the face. I got a little bit. But once you get it connected, you can see, look, there's no leakage at all. Now let's go through the different functions. To spray this, you just squeeze the trigger. And this is our first one. So this is the solid line, one solid line. And that is a nice, powerful spray. This has a lot of oomph. So if you're using this to wash your car, it's gonna work great. Let's look at the next one. So that's the first one. The second one is the same thing. It's a jet, but it's a little bit wider of a spray, which might be better for washing your car or just cleaning up around your house. The next one is this. That is only a drip, so fantastic for watering especially potted plants. The next one is another watering feature. It just kind of sprays at a downward angle, which is convenient. The next one is a shower. Turn that sideways so you can see it. So that's just like a nice little shower. Then we've got a spray that's kind of like a fan going this way spray. And then we have this almost like a mist, great for watering. And then we have a shower. This is great for if you're giving your pets a bath because it doesn't spray really hard, but it puts out a lot of water so you can make sure that your pet is getting lots of wetness while you're washing them. This one's kind of cool. It's like a wide funnel. So it sprays like a cyclone, but not in the middle. So only on the edges. And then we're back to the start. So pros and cons. The pros of this are, well, the aluminum alloy is amazing, or the zinc alloy. This is going to last a long time. The comfort of the handle is really nice. So this feels really good to squeeze, and this shoots super far. I mean, I'm shooting it right now. I don't know. It's going like 20 yards. So this is very powerful. The only con that I have with this is if you want to have continuous spray for a long period of time, the only way to lock this down is in full spray mode. So let me pick a different one so I'm not spraying too much water. If I want this to be halfway, I can't lock it. So I have to hold this trigger the whole time. If I want to lock it, I have to squeeze this all the way, and now it's going to be on full spray the whole time. That's the only con, and that is not too big of a con for me. In fact, I absolutely love this thing. And if you're looking for a really nice garden hose sprayer, this thing is amazing. I highly recommend it. If you want to grab one of these, there's a link in the description below. Please hit like on this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.